CMOS, complementary metal oxide semiconductor, uses both p-channel and n-channel transistor within the same circuit. CMOS family is faster and consumes less power than NMOS and PMOS families. Fabrication process is simple compared to TTL family. Greater packing density, thereby permitting more circuitry is a given area and reducing the cost per the given function. PMOS, the circuit diagram and equivalent circuit for the various. CMOS consists of NMOS and PMOS. G2 PMOS is G2 part and NMOS G1 part. The figure shows. For a transistor there are three terminals: gate, source, drain. For the PMOS transistor, we are giving 0 to the gate input. PMOS transistor is turned on so that we will obtain desired output at the other end. For NMOS transistor be turned on, we need to give logic 1 to the gate 1 input. Connection and working. For a CMOS, we have a NMOS and PMOS transistor connection in the series. To the gate of the both transistors, we have been given the input voltage from the drain of the both transistors. We are taking the output for the inverter. We know that there is a two inputs, 0 and 1. The first one is the V in is equal to 0. We know that PMOS is on, NMOS is off. When PMOS is on, current flow from VDD to Vout through this transistor and output will become 1. Figure B shows that the equivalent circuit of the CMOS inverter for a logic 0 input for a 0. If input PMOS will act as a closed circuit and NMOS will act as an open circuit, so the current will flow through the VDD to Q2 and output will be high 5 volt. Thirdly, Vin is equal to 1 volt. PMOS open circuit and NMOS is closed circuit. Figure in C is the equivalent circuit for Vin is equal to 5 volt and V out is equal to 0 volt. Rounded through this Q1 transistor because it is closed circuit. Summary working. The CMOS inverter consists of an NMOS transistor Q1 and a PMOS transistor Q2. The input is connected to gates of both the diodes and the positive supply voltage is connected to this source of the PMOS transistor Q2 and the source of Q1 is grounded. When Vin is equal to 0 volt low, the VGS2 is equal to minus 5 volt and VGS1 is equal to 0 volt. So the Q2 is on and Q1 is off. The switching circuit will be result with V out is equal to 5 volt. V in is equal to 5 volt high, VGS2 is equal to 0 volt and VGS1 is equal to 5 volt. So the Q2 is the off and Q1 is the on. Switching circuit CCC results with the V out is equal to 0 volt.